Welcome to the Power BI and SQL course. Congratulations on taking the first step towards learning data analysis skills with Power BI and SQL. Our course covers a wide range of topics including data characteristics, basic statistics, Excel, VBA, Power BI and SQL. While there are many other courses available online for Power BI and SQL, this course stands out in its approach. We not only focus on the tools but also aim to provide a thorough understanding of what a data analyst does and what it takes to land in a job in this field. To help you make an informed decision, we offer a free 2-day demo. You can choose from the available slots and book the demo to see if this course is a perfect fit for your needs. Hi, I am Kanav, Taneja, a data scientist with over 13 years of industry experience, and I will be your instructor for this course. My primary goal as an instructor is to help individuals like you secure their first job in this field. That is why I have incorporated my extensive experience into this course, which not only teaches you Power BI and SQL, but also emphasizes the importance of understanding the data and how to analyze it effectively. It's worth noting that we are affiliated with Microsoft as their learning partner. This means that all the training materials are provided by Microsoft itself, and each participant will receive their own license to practice and learn. In this course, we start by laying the foundations of visual analytics and data characteristics. Once we achieve this important milestone, we delve into the Power BI and SQL, starting from basics and progressing to advanced concepts. Companies are not just looking for individuals who knows Power BI. They value those who can actually manipulate the data using various BI tools available such as Excel, VBA, SQL and Power BI. Therefore, this course is designed to provide you with the necessary skills to land a job as a business intelligence analyst or a data analyst. We cover all the essential tools including Excel, VBA, SQL, Power BI and also focus on developing your data understanding skills. Lastly, remember that you have first 2 days absolutely free to come and judge for yourself whether this course is right for you. Choose from the available slots and book the demo now. We look forward to seeing you in the live session.